Kathy, let's talk real. Let's open the can of worms. Let's talk about the loans that a lot of brokers don't do because they're too much effort. But how they can really benefit clients. What's the first thing that comes to your head?
I'm going to say a bridge and loan. Most of you probably haven't heard of what a bridge and loan actually is, so I'll quickly explain it for you. It's when you have one property at the moment that you're trying to sell because you want to upgrade to a bigger home, or you want to move out to the country with more land, or something along those lines. Anyway, you need to sell one property, but you need to be able to buy another one without having the condition of selling your current property.
Because let's be real, buying subject to the sale is the worst offer.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why you want to be able to buy property without a condition which says subject to the sale. The reason why Kathy's talking about bridging and why it's a pain is because it's complex. Let's be real, Kathy. If it's complex for us, it's just out of the question for a lot of mortgage brokers. It's complex, but what it does for the client is enables them to go to an auction. It enables them to buy another property which they technically can't afford without selling theirs. And they don't have to have the condition subject to sale.
A lot of brokers don't enjoy or want to do bridging loans purely because of the amount of work that's behind them. So it's not as simple as just doing a straightforward application. We need to do a lot of, mathematical equations, really, if you want to. Behind the scenes to ensure that, of course, once you do buy a new property and then you finally sell your current home, we of course need to have some money behind us to be able to clear what we call the bridging loan portion. Now, we have to make sure that we get that right, because at the end of it, we don't want to leave you short. We want to make sure you've got more than enough money to clear the bridging loan and then get to enjoy your new home, basically.
So really, the brokers don't want to do it. It's more work, the same or less pay, and a lot of stress on them, isn't it? So you want to go to a broker that does it and they're confident in doing it. Now, while we're out talking about loans that no one else wants to do, I'm going to chuck out there a guarantor loan. A lot of brokers won't even do them. It's actually double the work and the same pay. But you know what the funny thing is, Kathy? For the last 11 years of being a mortgage broker, that was my favourite loan to do. Because I actually got to talk to the client's parents who wanted to back them, who wanted to help them get their leg into real estate, to explain the benefits and the actual risks involved. So a guarantor loan, they don't like it because it's double the work, the same pay, but I loved it, and I genuinely felt like I helped a lot of people buy their first house, and now those guys have gone on to buy their second and third, and they really appreciated the effort that I went to helping them do that. Another loans which a lot of brokers don't like doing is a top-up loan. So a top-up loan is an existing customer, who we love our existing customers. They want to increase to buy something. Maybe they want to do a renovation. Maybe they want to do a little deck on the back. Why would brokers not want to do these loans?
A lot of brokers don't enjoy doing a top-up loan because it's the same amount of work to do a $30,000 top-up as it is to do a $1 million purchase. Same paperwork, same application forms. And to be honest, brokers don't get paid when we do a top-up. It's basically us doing it for free. But as George said, especially our existing clients, we love you guys. So of course we want to be able to help you do those renovations on the property. Build yourself a pool for the beautiful summer days, or whatever it is that you wish to do.
And look, if money is a problem, brokers out there should just do it and charge a fee for their service. But yeah, they don't like doing it because it's normally for a paycheck reasons they don't like doing it. Another big one, which I love doing, but a lot of brokers don't, is construction loans. So a lot of brokers won't touch a construction loan. The reason is again, the effort involved to do it, and it's for the same pay. So you could start a construction loan today, and that could take over a year of continuous work when those progress payments go through, and you got to keep doing the work. A lot of brokers don't do it. So if you're watching this and you want to build, go to a broker that loves doing construction loans and wants to see you build your dream property. So there's some loans out there that a lot of brokers don't like doing. If you have any questions, please reach out to the MAD team. We're pretty open and we do most loans. I'll be honest with you though, guys, we don't do all loans. If you want to build a high rise in the city, which is 20 stories, I'm not going to be able to help you. If you're going to want to get a personal loan for cosmetic surgery or to consolidate and pay out some credit card debt, I'm not going to be able to help you. There are specialized finance brokers. We would specialize in residential mortgages and commercial loans, but not development funding or not doing $1 million fit out in the city for an office. That's specialist as well. So it's quite clear to know the broker that you're going to, what's their specialty? What do they love doing? And what process and procedures have they got in place to make the experience for you unbelievable? So if you've watched this video and if any of those loans sound like you're going to need those particular skills, ask your broker. Point them out. Do you specialize in this? You don't want to hear a bit of a, yeah, we do that sometimes and this. You don't want them to be a jack of all trades, master of none. Make sure you go into the broker, which is a master of that particular loan. And as always, guys, have a mad day. Thanks for watching.